We went through a lot. We lost everything in the house, a lot of personal stuff. It's just, I was told $150,000 to put my house back together. I ain't got that kind of money. It's just gonna take a long time, a lot of heartache.
We've had so much help as far as manual physical labor, volunteers that showed up and helped us with this, people that had no experience in retail, no experience in setting up a display. We had like probably a dozen people that showed up every morning when we were setting this up and helped us, some of them 12 hours a day. People that we didn't know that well before this. I mean, that feels good. We've come a long way, I mean, when you think about it, but we've got a lot further to go.
Everything, we stripped it all the way down, so it was just the cement floor and the brick walls. So we even raised the ceiling up. It was everything other than the actual like structure of the building we redid. Well, that's just the biggest feeling of relief, knowing that I got to wake up and come to work and just actually work rather than hang drywall and stuff.